UNT for the most part faces medium TRM opposition at $270.58 and an extremely critical way. The very current trading volume of Quant genuinely is at $9,567,508 in a really huge way. QNT kind of obtained generally 1.79 inside the most recent 24 hours. Which is truly enormous craving. Get a move on over the fundamentally most recent week, securing 12.95 or so. They from a certifiable perspective how QNT all around that truly matters faces medium TRM check at $270 and market assessment. The most recent 24 hours there was a 1.84% loss, bringing the overall entire computerized currency market to $1,149,802-649-559 and generally critical way. The truly outright trading volume by and large remains parts at $19,987,677,932, demonstrating how Quant picked up bull ISH speed over the previous week, procuring 12.95 or so. They truly thought Bitcoin accounts for 45.89% of the passage, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33 in a straightforward way, which from a genuine perspective achieved Bitcoin's worth climbing to 27,205.78 level after an upward advancement of 0.07%, truly disregarding pervasive reasoning. Different elective, computerized monetary forms as ETHEREUM from a genuine perspective has seen an expense augmentation of 0.5% coming to 1903.61 pennies during the previous 24 hours rather than standard reasoning. While this block is being circulated, ENB swapped at 306.13 after a value shift of 0.28 within a comparable time span in an unpretentious manner, and Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after a value change of 0.77%, which is actually significant. These events suggest that the market is honestly traveling in an essentially declining direction, for usually temporary in a fundamentally major way. As of now, a sort of broad, genuinely regrettable dive can be noticed all through the crypto market in a huge way. Quant support and opposition are significant specialized pointers used to essentially recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Most certainly further appearance how Quant support and opposition levels and so forth. Most certainly further appearance how QNT explicitly faces medium TRM obstruction at $270.58 in an unobtrusive manner. Support particularly is a level at W. Moreover, the extremely complete exchanging volume basically stays at $19,987,677,932, demonstrating how Quant picked up bull ISH over the previous week, acquiring 12.95 in an unobtrusive way. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors generally become move commonly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which all things considered is very huge. Following sort over the help and obstruction low market history. One is effectively trading at 117.26 with a trading volume of $9,567,588. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, is up by 3.45 and is currently exchanging at 54 cents, demonstrating how, while distributing this blonde ENB exchanged at $306.13 following a value change of 0.28 within a comparable time period, which is particularly huge. However, QNT has seen a cost increment of 1.79 and the absolute last 24 hours QNT cost changes 12.95 throughout the week, with a truly all-out market capitale showing how support usually is a level at which consumers in a true sense become more dynamic and, in all practical sense, prohibit the coin as cost from falling any further. Moreover, the extremely all-out exchanging volume currently stands at $19,987,677,932. Demonstrating how Quant picked up bull ISH talk over the most recent week, acquiring 12.95 exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Quant Value Analysis QNT Cost Quant Value Examination QNT Cost Investigation for the 4th of June, 2023 inside a truly everyday time span commonly made sense of beneath an unpretentious manner. We utilize truly relative strength index moving normal union into similarity backing levels obstruction levels different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense STRI moving truly normal to basically investigate the future development of the Quant. Let us generally discuss the kind of current economic situations in an essentially significant manner. The sort of relative strength list shows that the Quant coin is generally exchanging overbought stage as RSI in every practical sense is at 87, which explicitly is very huge. Quant for the most part is MO examination for the 4th of June. 2023 inside a day-to-day time period generally made sense of underneath showing how Quant value investigation Quant cost investigation for the 4th of June. 2023 inside a day-to-day time span generally made sense of beneath or so they certainly thought presently Quant ought to essentially track down a help at $95.14 are probably the dealers could then focus on the critical help level put at 314.12 which truly shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a really descending course for present moment. Or so they truly thought the MACD line by and large is remaining above the for the most part signal line after a sort of certain hybrid exhibiting how Quant backing and obstruction backing in opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path certainly further appearance how quantum support and opposition levels and so on in every way that really matters further appearance how Quant especially faces medium TRM obstruction at $270.58 exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. I want financial backers should watch for any directional change over the daily outline demonstrating how the kind of all-out exchanging volume particularly remains at 19,987,677,932 demonstrating how Quant picked up bull ISH speed over the kind past week acquiring 12.95 or so they explicitly thought, while Quant's Williams percent our marker in every practical sense is at 20. The price of Bitcoin has been a topic of great interest and speculation in the financial world, with investors eagerly watching its price movements for possible chances. A new and interesting thing has happened recently that has caught the attention of both experienced buyers and crypto fans. Mikey Bull Crypto says that there is a long-term chart pattern that, if it stays the same, could lead to a big rise in the price of Bitcoin, BTC. In his most recent analysis, the well-known trader pointed out positive signs on the BTC/USD weekly chart, which suggests that the price could go up by a huge 60%. This possible rise would send the price of Bitcoin to an amazing level of about $40,000. Bitcoin is still stuck in a narrow trading range,